Hello, in front of me I've got Toyota Avensis. In this video I'll show you how to find POIs. To navigate to points of interest, let's go to map navigation and enter destination. Select POI and select by category name or by map. Select it, tap go, and it's set. To stop navigation route, go to options and select stop guidance. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.